Kũrũmĩrĩra wongereku wa ciĩko cia arutwo watho gũkorwo makĩhũthĩrwo kĩmwĩrĩ nĩguo maheo mĩeke kana mĩenderero kĩama-inĩ kĩa mawakiri kĩa LSK, rĩu arutwo aya nĩ matetete ciĩko ici makiuga matirĩ marekereirie makaya mao indi matirĩ maiguo.
Many victims have come forward, and yet LSK is still protecting the same predators that continue to prey on us. An institution that was created to protect us has run away when we have come to ask for accountability.
Marauga nĩ gĩconoko kuona mawakiri arĩa mabatie kũhũrana na ihoto cia ũmũndũ nĩo makoretwo makĩagarara ihoto ici kũrĩa mawakiri arutwo na arĩa marayaka, rĩu makĩenda mũtugo ũyũ ũhũthire na kuga atĩ nĩmakũhanda cira gũtetea ciĩko ici.
Leo tuko hapa kuzungumzia swala la sexual harassment ambalo limetusumbua sana katika kazi yetu kama mawakili. Kile ambacho kinatusumbua ni kwamba mawakili ndio wanapaswa kuwa wakitetea haki za watu ambao wanafanyiwa sexual harassment, lakini sisi ndio victims. Kwa hivyo tunajiuliza kwamba LSK iko wapi? Sasa hivi tuko na LSK chair ambaye ni mwanamke, na wengi ambao wamelalamika kwamba wamefanyiwa sexual harassment ni wanawake.
Uhoro wa kumakania ati to ayi tumaragera thina uyu kuona ona imwana irauhonia mawakili atumia.
Kuna wanawake pia ambao wanadhulumu young lawyers vijana. Shame on you. Shame on you. Mnajiita kina mama, mnajiita watu ambao mnachunga watoto wenyu, lakini kule kazini mnataka vijana wadogo wapande kitanda. Example gani hiyo mnapeana? Shame on you.
Oho, ni matetete makiuga, ni makaletwo makiamukira marihi manini.
That the Law Society has received a few complaints from members of the Law Society regarding sexual harassment as well as bullying, and some of them touch not only on professional misconduct under our policy on sexual harassment and anti-bullying, but also fall within the ambit of criminal law, which is the Sexual Offences Act that prohibits sexual harassment.
Kamĩtĩ ũrũngĩrĩria mĩtugo LSK yugĩte nĩ amũkĩrĩte mateta maya na ũthuthuria baranginya nĩ wanjĩtie gũtabanio. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Njoki wa Kamande.